Hello guys, many juniors of me just call me and ask for the roadmap of data science. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the roadmap of data science. Before that, who is a data scientist? A data scientist basically collects the data, cleans the data, and analyzes the data. At the same time, he interprets the data to solve the real world problems, right? So before going into that, I'm gonna teach you the roadmap of data science. Okay, so there are major 6 steps we can follow to become a data scientist. Okay, so what is step one? We have to study programming. Okay, we have to be skilled on programming language. Okay, in Python, or in, I would suggest Python. Okay, so in Python you have to study variables, functions, loops, at the same time libraries. Okay, like matplotlib, pandas, etc. Okay, so this is the step one. You have to be uh, an expert at programming skills. Okay, and step two, math foundation. Like, you have to study the basic mathematics like statistics and probability. Okay, stats and probability. I have seen some videos of Khan Academy and then StarQuest on YouTube. Okay, that might be very useful for you. So you can note that Khan Academy and StarQuest. Okay, and what is step three? Data visualization. Okay, and what you can do for data visualization. Okay, create dashboards. Okay, create dashboards with the help of Power BI and Tableau. Okay, so basically, you know what, Power BI and Tableau are the tools which is helpful for making dashboards. Okay, and at the same time, you can do data visualization through Python itself with the help of libraries such as Matplotlib and Seaborn, but that is not effective like Power BI and Tableau. And nowadays, there are AIs for making data visualizations. For example, AI called Jasper, which is very useful for making data visualizations. Okay, so you can also use that if your company really want it. Okay, so this is the step three, and this is the important step also. Like, you have to study data visualization too. Okay, and what is step four? You have to be master on SQL and databases. Okay, so many interview questions which will come from SQL and databases. Okay, SQL and databases. Basically, you can use the free platform like LeetCode and Scratch, my three schools, etc. Okay, so you have to study SQL and databases. So this is also very important step, because you know what, many companies in the interview round ask for SQL and databases questions. So you can also follow this. And what is step five? Machine learning. Okay, so what is machine learning basically? You're serving a computer a data to read and to study, right? So in machine learning, like, you have to study basic algorithms or basic models like linear regression. At first, I'm saying linear regression, logistic regression, etc. So these are the supervised models, and I have also posted some videos based on machine learning in the previous week. So you can also follow that if you are not aware of machine learning and its model. Okay. So in the step 5, you have to study machine learning. So this is almost the final steps of data science. Okay. And what is step 6? Projects and case studies. Okay, so this is the final step: projects and case studies. You have to work on real-time projects. For example, in my college days, I have worked on COVID-19 data sets. Okay, through machine learning and through data visualization tools like Tableau and dashboards. So you have to work on real time projects so that you can have some experience on data science, basic data science. Okay. So for example, I would suggest to do on stock prices, stock price, and at the same time, as I said, COVID-19 databases and customer customer segmentations. So these are the basic thing you can do. And you might have a doubt that where I can find the data, right? So you can find the data in sites like Kaggle. So this is absolutely free for you. Okay, free data. You can download free data in whatever topic you want. Okay, and at the same time, upload your projects on GitHub, because if you are looking for a placement or something, most of the companies ask for GitHub link. So you have to give the GitHub link to them. So before that, you have to upload your projects on GitHub. Okay, yeah. And what about uh, and and at the final step, you have to prepare a resume or a portfolio for yourself. Okay, so build 3 to portfolio and resumes. Okay, so I would suggest you have to do 3 to 5 projects and you have to upload on your resume and portfolio, and then as well as create LinkedIn and connect with as much. I mean, give connections to as much people you can, because in LinkedIn connections are very important thing. So uh, connect with most of the people who belongs to your domain like data science and machine learning, data analytics, etc. Okay, so that if a person is hiring in a company, so you can get notifications through that if you have some big amount of connections. So please create a LinkedIn. If you are not having LinkedIn, please create a LinkedIn today, and then have some good connections, okay, based on your domain, and post regularly. uh, like it might be your projects, it might be your internships or something. You can post it on LinkedIn regularly in the basis of a week or something. Okay, and at the same time, most of my juniors are asking whether I can do some certification courses or degrees, etc. I mean, you don't need a master's degree or something. You just need a skills. Okay, you just need skills, like basic certifications from IBM, Google, and at the same time, Kaggle is providing certification course, so you can do that. And sometimes free courses are available in some websites like Kaggle also, so you can look into it. Okay, so certifications is not necessary, but if you are ready to do a certification course, you can do. Okay, so most of the companies are looking for skills. They are not looking for your certifications or internships, etc. Okay, and I would tell you that projects are greater than certifications. Okay, so keep that in your mind anytime. Okay, projects are greater than certifications. Okay, if you are looking for a job or if you are looking for a freelancing, use LinkedIn. As I said, LinkedIn is the most powerful tool you can use. And then get a strong resume and have some good GitHub profile as well. And then try completing Kaggle competitions. So that might actually give you some that might actually give you some skills as well. And then apply for internships and some junior data analytics roles. And free I mean, and also if you can ready to do some freelancing, you can also do freelancing in Upwork. Upwork is a Upwork is a place where you can post your skills and you can get some freelancing clients, and Total, and then one more is that Contra. Okay, so these are the things which you can showcase your skills and get some clients for freelancing. Okay, so yeah, and I just want to say that don't wait for your preparation. Start from today. Learn on small things. Okay, if you really want to follow data science regularly, you can follow us, because I'm just posting everyday videos which is related to data science, and I'm teaching the basic. Data science from the basics, and just now we have started. So your uh, I mean we need your support badly. So please do support. At the same time, learn on small thing every day and share it publicly. Okay, don't be shame or don't be afraid to share it publicly, because this is the mistake I did uh, during my college days. Okay, so don't do that. Share it publicly and stay consistent. Okay, do it if you have plenty of time, do it daily and post it regularly, and then within 6 to 9 months of time, you can become a expert data scientist. Okay, so if you are following this routine, you can become an expert data scientist within 6 to 9 months of time. Okay, thank you guys, and please to subscribe. I'll be posting data science videos every day, so that might be very useful for you guys. So please to subscribe. Thank you.